Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Eero to Frontier router. First, download the Eero app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now open the app, create an Eero account if needed, and sign in. Next, gather everything you'll need for the installation, including your Eero device, the power adapter, and the Ethernet cable that came with your installation kit. Now locate your existing Frontier router and unplug any Wi-Fi extenders that may be connected to your network. After that, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your Eero device. Then connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to an available LAN port on your Frontier router. Now plug the Eero device into a power outlet using the supplied power adapter. Wait a few moments for the Eero to power on and begin starting up. Next, reconnect your Frontier router to power if you unplugged it during the setup process. Leave any old Wi-Fi extenders disconnected for now, as they can interfere with the new Eero network. Once both devices are powered on, return to the Eero app on your phone. The app should automatically detect the new Eero device. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. You may be asked to choose a network name, create a Wi-Fi password, and confirm your internet connection settings. If you have additional Eero units, the app will guide you through adding and placing them around your home for better coverage. After the setup is complete, test your Wi-Fi connection by connecting a phone, tablet, or computer to the new Eero network. For the best wireless performance, Frontier recommends disabling the Wi-Fi feature on your existing Frontier router so that only the Eero network is broadcasting Wi-Fi. You can do this by signing into your Frontier router settings page and turning off both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless networks. Once everything is configured, you can use the Eero app to manage your network, view connected devices, run speed tests, and adjust Wi-Fi settings whenever needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.